Okay, then. Thank you, Salim, for explaining these things. And I think it's time to hand over the session to Miss Kizara Amin to explain about psychology's applications and what happens with ESOFT about their modules and all. So, Miss Kizara, it's over to you.
Uh, Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Salim, for the wonderful explanation on the life sciences courses offered at ESOP. I hope I'm audible to everybody. I am just going to share my screen to discuss the psychology programs that we offer at ESOFT Campus 1.
Yes, you're audible.
Thank you. All right. So thank you everyone once again. I just want to describe the kind of courses that we offer at Campus One over here. As to introduce what Campus One is, we are a fully owned subsidiary branch of ESOP. We offer two courses here, which is one of them specializes in the School of Psychology. To just give you an overview on what Campus One is and looks like, we currently specialize in offering two courses, the Pearson BTech HND in psychology and the top-up in psychology offered by the London Metropolitan University. So just giving you an insight on how our campus looks like, we have classrooms, libraries, IT labs, and also a fashion studio dedicated to another course that we offer in the campus. And as well as it's a very student friendly and vibrant community that we offer over here. And through Campus One is what we offer psychology courses as. So just to introduce you to our academic team, myself, I am the academic and program lead of the course. I myself hold a MSc in clinical and health psychology from the UK. And I also lecture to the students with my management and program coordinating job role. With me leading the program and also a partner in the department is Miss Insia Tahir. She too holds her MSc for clinical and health psychology from the University of West London, and we are both the internal parties handling the course right now. Apart from them, we also have our very good faculty members of visiting lecturers called, one of them is Miss Nicole Pereira, Mr. Shyamalan Vyakesh, Miss Raisa Aji, and Miss Sahani Jayasinghe. One of the specialities of our course is that we only take individuals who have at least a master's in psychology or above. So it is a way of reassuring our quality of delivery because it is a science subject and it requires a lot of understanding and years of education. So all of these lecturers over here specialize in at least one of the fields of psychology, so that whatever module requires their attention, they will do that. So we can say that we all have specialist lecturers for specialist modules. To bring your attention to what the pathway is. So when a student comes to us, we first ask them if they have any A levels. So there are two ways they can enroll into our programs. First is that they should have completed their A levels or any foundation program or diploma anywhere in any course. So that is going to cover their level 3, because they need at least A levels or another foundation or another program to cover up their level 3. Level 4 and 5 is what we are offering at Campus One, where we are awarding it through Pearson BTech, and it is going to be awarded for 240 credits. So students always ask, what are these credits? So credits are basically a way for students to know that their course and qualification is coming from a recognized body, that they are not doing information just out of nowhere. They are not getting courses out of nowhere, but they are actually getting it from a very reputed place. So Pearson BTech level 4 and level 5 are awarded by us at Campus One. And then level 6, which is the top up year, is going to be awarded by London Metropolitan University. Just like Mr. Salim said earlier, it is a UGC recognized program because we also offer it through London Metropolitan University. To give you some insight on what our HND, the level 4 and 5 in counseling and applied psychology is at Campus One. and the top up is from London Metropolitan University. So just to give you some insight on why you should choose Campus One to do psychology is because experience they do from here at Campus One that they get directly in the UK. They directly get as a PSN student or a London Metropolitan student. It is also London Metropolitan student where the final year is given. It is a very well recognized body and it is a very established university and has really great rankings all around the world. And also once the students are able to finish their full 3 years with us, if they get even a second lower class, they can apply for a graduate basis chartership as a counseling professional. So what this does is that it confirms sort of like employability for the student in the future. So just to give you insight on how our Pearson BTech is, it is divided, it is offered for 2 years, 18 months to 2 years. The full time goes for Mondays and Wednesdays from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and part-time intake is also available for Sundays 8:30 to 5:30. Full-time Mondays and Wednesdays is for students who have just finished schooling and are going for their first fresh degree. But part-time students are usually who are working and are doing the psychology course as an additional added knowledge. So we cater to both audience, anybody who wants to do the fresh course as a fresh degree or someone who is doing it as along with their work commitments. So just entry criteria is that you need to have A levels or at least a foundation or diploma in any course for you to join this course, the level 4 and 5. Once again, bringing back your attention that 240 credits from the Pearson BTech is a very well way for you to understand that you are getting your qualifications from a recognized body. And also the good and positive part about this is that it is also assignment based. So if it is assignment based, you get a lot of feedback and a lot of guidance and intervention while you're doing your assignment. So it will help you to perform your best. There's no chance of you completely failing a module because assignments will be like every week you will get some kind of feedback on it. So it's a good and interesting course for you to attempt. There is also this internship that we offer for 170 hours with the HND. This is so that students are not going to go into the world as a no experienced person. While they are doing the intern course itself, they can do the internship and have it in their CVs. Investment for the higher national diploma is 475,000 with 380 Pearson fee. This is for both years and it can be broken down into installments based on the kind of feedback the student wants. If the student wants any flexibility, our student counselors are going to look into that. And bringing your attention back to the third year. Now, the Pearson HND will give you the first and second year of a BSc honors degree, and London Metropolitan University will give you the final year of your BSc in psychology. So the entry criteria for the top up, the final year, is that you have to do the HND with us or have an HND with 240 credits from another university or another place so that you can do your final year at least with us. But for people who are starting the whole course with us, you get a complete package. You start with your HND level 4 and 5 and then you do level 6 with us and then exit and graduate with your entire BSc honors psychology degree. This is the entire this thing. So I want to say that with doing 3 years with us, you will have 360 credits